Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Revlon SmoothStay Hair Dryer. This hair dryer has been making waves for its affordable price and promising features, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Revlon SmoothStay Hair Dryer is marketed as a budget-friendly option with some impressive specifications. It boasts an 1875W motor, which promises powerful drying capabilities suitable for various hair types and textures. This model includes both ceramic and ionic technology, aimed at reducing frizz and enhancing the smoothness and shine of your hair. In terms of design, the SmoothStay features a sleek black finish with red accents, which is pretty standard for Revlon hair tools. It feels sturdy yet lightweight in hand, making it comfortable to use without causing arm fatigue during longer drying sessions. The controls are conveniently placed on the handle, including 3 heat settings, 2 speed settings, and a cool shot button for setting your style. Moving on to performance, I found that the SmoothStay heats up quickly, which is great for those who want to get their hair dried fast. The ionic technology helps in taming frizz, and the ceramic coating with coconut oil infusion adds a nice touch for smoothness and shine. It comes with a concentrator nozzle shaped like a comb, which helps in directing airflow precisely for smoother results. There's also a volumizing diffuser included, which is handy for enhancing curls and adding volume. Using the SmoothStay was mostly a positive experience. The attachments, although functional, required a bit of force to snap into place initially, but they did get easier to use with time. The cord length, at 1.8 meters, could be a tad longer for some users who prefer more mobility while drying their hair. However, the dryer does come with a hanging hook for easy storage. So, should you consider buying the Revlon SmoothStay Hair Dryer? If you're looking for an affordable yet effective hair dryer that can handle various styling needs, this could be a great option for you. It offers good performance with its powerful motor and thoughtful design features, making it suitable for everyday use. That wraps up our review of the Revlon SmoothStay Hair Dryer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed reviews like this one. Drop your comments below if you've tried this dryer or have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.